Hello friends, this is Lalit Vasist and you are watching Engineering Made Easy. Today we are going to discuss the concept of mean, median, mode and range. We will understand it with the help of two examples. So I request you to watch both of these examples because both of these examples will tell you different concepts. So it is necessary to watch this video completely. Okay, watch these both examples. In last video we discussed the standard deviation and variance. So if you want to know about what we mean by standard deviation and variance, then you can watch my previous video. So we will understand the concept of mean, median, mode and range with the help of these two examples. So let's take this first example. We need to find all these four values, mean, median, mode and range, for this set of given numbers. Okay, these numbers are 2, 3, 7, 4, 6, 6 and 9. So I want to first calculate the mean. Mean is nothing but simply the average. We all know what is average, how to calculate average value of given numbers. It is simply the usual average which is obtained by adding all the values present in this set divided by the number of values. Okay, so how we can calculate it? Just add all these values and divide it by the number of values. How many values are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So divide this summation by 7. Okay, and you will get 37 by 7, 5.28. So 5.28 is its mean or the average value. Now let's come to another concept of median. How we can calculate the median of a given set of numbers. Here I will also show you another example. So watch that example also, because you will also know other concepts in that second example. So let's calculate the median of this. So what is median? So median is the middle value of the set of numbers on arranging them in the numerical order. So we can arrange them, let's arrange them in ascending order or the increasing order. So the set of numbers that we have was this, and we will arrange them in the ascending order or the increasing value number. Okay, magnitude is increasing in the order where the magnitude is increasing. So let's see here. If you arrange them in ascending order, then this converts to 2, 3, 4, then 6. Okay, then 6 is 2 times, so 6, 6. Then the next bigger number is 7, and then 9. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 6, 6, 7, 9 is the ascending order. So first arrange them in this ascending order or the numerical order. Okay, and then the number that is present exactly in the middle will be the median. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. These are the 7 numbers. So the middle term, the middle value will be 7 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 8 by 2. It means the fourth term, that is this value. Okay, because this is the middle value. Here we have 3 terms, 3 numbers on its left side and 3 numbers on its right side. So 6 is the middle number. So median is 6 in this case. Observe here that here we have 7 numbers, and 7 number is the odd number. So if we have odd numbers, then we can calculate the middle value by that odd number plus 1 divided by 2. So 7 plus 1 by 2 is 8. What if we have even number of values? In that case, we will not get the middle value. So for that, you need to see the next example. But for this example, the median is 6 because this is the middle value when we have arranged them in the numerical order. Now let's discuss the mode. We will calculate the mode of the given set of values. How we can calculate the mode? What is mode? You should know it first. Mode is nothing but it is a number that is present maximum number of times. The highest, or you can say the frequently appearing, the number which is most repeated number. Okay, or which is having the highest frequency. So we will see this set of numbers that was given to us in the problem. This is the set of numbers that we have been given. Here observe that only 6 is that number which is appearing maximum number of times. it is appearing 2 times. Okay, these other numbers like 2, 3, 7, 4 and 9 are appearing only 1 time, but 6 is the number that is appearing maximum number of times. Here it is 2 times, so the mode will be the number that is appearing most or that is repeating itself maximum number of times. So 6 is the mode. Okay, frequently occurring or most frequently occurring number is the mode. So mode is simply 6. Very simple. Now let's see the range. What is range? We all know range. Range is the difference between the largest number and the smallest number which is present in that set. So it is the difference between largest and smallest value present in that sampled value, that set of values. So the largest number in this set of numbers is 9 and the smallest is 2. Okay, this is the largest and 2 is the smallest. So the range will be largest minus smallest, that is 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So 7 is the range. Okay, you can also see it here. 9 is the largest, smallest is 2. So 9 minus 2, difference of largest and smallest number, is the range. So 7 is the range. So this was all about the mean, median, mode and range. Now we will see another example. We will see some more concepts in this example. So watch this example also. Our second example is find the mean, median, mode and range, the same 4 values for this given set of numbers. The set is 1, 2, 4, 7. Okay, let's find all these 4 values for this number set. Okay, mean, we all know we can calculate the mean or average in the same way that we know 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7. Add all these numbers and divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. So it is 14 by 4 equal to 3.5. Very simple. Same as the previous case. But there is some difference in the median case. You see here, as I told you, we can calculate the median by first arranging them in the numerical order. Then we will see the middle value, and that middle value will be the median. Okay, so as these numbers are already arranged in ascending order, you see 1, 2, 4, 7, increasing order, ascending order, so no need to rewrite these or to rearrange these numbers. So this is the order. But the problem is, how can we find the middle number? Because here we have 4 numbers and we cannot calculate its middle number. Okay, we cannot take it as 2 because here it is 1 number here, 2 numbers at this side. If we take it as 4, then we have 2 numbers on its left side and 1 number on its right side. So we have actually 2 numbers in the middle, 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 are the middle 2 numbers. If this is the case, that is, if we have even number of values, then we take the middle 2 numbers. For example, here we have 2 and 4 are the middle numbers, and take the mean. As we know how we can calculate the mean. So first take 2 middle numbers. So here two middle numbers are 2 and 4, and take its mean. Mean is the sum of these values divided by 2. So 2 plus 4 divided by 2. Mean of 2 and 4 is 2 plus 4 divided by 2. So in this case, when the number is given numbers are in even, okay, here we have 4 numbers. So in that case, we take 2 middle numbers, and median will be equal to the mean of these 2 middle numbers. So you see here, 2 middle numbers are 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 we will do, and divided by 2 is equals to 3. So we calculated the mean of these 2 values. Now let's come to the mode. As we know, what is mode? Mode is the number that is present most frequently, that is appearing maximum number of times in that set of values. But here, if you observe, then you can see that the number of values, the values given here are appearing only once. All values are appearing only once. No value, no number is even appearing twice. So how we can find its mode? So there is no mode for this case, because all the values are appearing only once. So there is no number that is appearing more number of times in comparison to other numbers. So its mode is nothing. There is no mode for this case. for this set of values. Now what is range? Range is again very simple. Range is the largest value minus the smallest value. You see here the largest value here is 7 and the smallest value is 1. So 7 minus 1, that is 6. 6 will be its range. Okay. So range is 7 minus 1, 6. So this was about how we can calculate the mean, median, mode and range. We have seen two variations. If the number of values given are in even numbers or in odd numbers, then how we can calculate the median. The main difference, the difference appeared was in case of median and mode. Okay, and there was no difference in these two examples in the case of mean and range. Okay, the difference was only in median and mode. So you should know how we can calculate mean, mode, median and range in all these such kind of cases. So hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel Engineering Made Easy for more such videos so that you can get the notifications of the videos whenever I release the videos. And please click on the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.
Friends, for more such videos, you can subscribe my channel Engineering Made Easy. And please don't forget to like and share the video if you liked it. For more detailed information, you can visit my blog. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.